first thing people usually do when they create a PowerPoint presentation is pick a background style or color for their slides. PowerPoint gives you a bunch of pre-made backgrounds and color schemes that you can use. If you want an impressive presentation, you don't want to use these. Although these are an easy fix, these styles are a giveaway that you put no effort into designing for your message. In the business world, this might translate as a lack of interest in your product or message. Well, what's the solution then? In order to understand the style or color scheme of your slides, you need to understand color. It's important to understand that color has the unique ability to set the emotional tone for your slides. Before we get started on the technical aspects of color, familiarize yourself with the list of color associations. Feel free to pause this tutorial now. Okay, this is a color wheel. In it, you'll find all the different pure colors or hues of the spectrum. Red, blue, and yellow make up primary colors, while orange, purple, and green are considered secondary colors. If we take one of these colors and adjust its brightness or darkness, we're adjusting its value. The closer a color is to black, the lower its value. The closer it is to white, the higher its value. Saturation is a color's purity of hue, its richness or dullness. The closer a color is to grayscale, the less saturated it is. Hue, value, and saturation make up the three characteristics of color. Again, keep it simple. Less colors, less distractions. Let's play around with the color scheme of this diagram slide. A monochromatic scheme uses only one hue. Value and saturation of this hue can be adjusted to call out something or add variety to your scheme. Here, the bar that is our main focus is lighter or has higher value than the rest of the graph. This calls it out as the main focus of our chart. An analogous color scheme will use colors that are directly next to each other on the color wheel. Complementary colors are two colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel. These two schemes can also be used to call out information. One really dramatic way to grab your audience's attention is with an achromatic +1 theme. Let's say we saturate our entire graph so that everything is gray. Now, we can call out a word in our title and our most important bar with a single color. Colors for a color scheme can also be pulled from an image as well. This is a great way to set a tone for your slide that fits a featured photograph. Okay, so we still haven't talked about backgrounds. You can use your knowledge on color schemes to pick out a color for your series of slides, but use caution. Bright colors can strain your viewers' eyes and often look cheap when used incorrectly. Background colors should be subtle as to not distract from your main focus. If all else fails, very dark valued hues or even black with light or white text make for a very bold, professional look. A white background with dark text is also very sharp, but might strain your viewers' eyes if you are presenting in a dark room. For more help on choosing your color schemes, visit the following websites. Now let's move on and talk about images.